Today we're making restaurant-worthy chicken fried rice with perfect texture and bold flavor.
I'm Rose Oatley. Let's get cooking.
We'll start with a marinade. In a bowl or large Ziploc bag, add half teaspoon of baking soda. This helps tenderize the meat. Add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. This creates a silky coating and helps with a better sear. 3 tablespoons of low-sodium soy sauce for depth of flavor. 2 teaspoons minced garlic. Jarred garlic is totally fine. Add 1 teaspoon minced ginger and 1 teaspoon sesame oil. Give it all a good mix, then set aside.
I'm going to be using chicken thighs, but you can also use chicken breast if you prefer.
Trim excess fat, then cut into thin strips, and if any strips are long, you can cut them in half. Add the chicken to the marinade and mix so every piece is coated.
We're going to let this marinate for just a bit.
Grab a bag of frozen peas and carrots, add to a strainer, rinse and let drain in the sink. Dice about 1/4 of a small yellow onion. Chop green onions into small pieces, reserving a few longer pieces as well. In a large bowl, crack 3 eggs and whisk, then set aside for now. You want to use 1-day-old jasmine rice. It fries better, it's drier and less likely to clump, giving you that perfect fried texture. Last night, I cooked 2 cups of jasmine rice with 2.5 cups of water, not the usual 3. Once done, I let it cool for 20 minutes, then refrigerate it overnight. Before cooking, separate the grains. To a wok or large pan, add 2 tablespoons of avocado oil. Add your marinated chicken with a light sprinkle of salt and pepper. Cook for about 3 minutes per side or until done. Once done, remove to a plate to rest briefly. Add 2 tablespoons of oil to the pan, add your eggs, and scramble until just set, then transfer to the plate with your chicken. Wipe your pan clean, then add 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. Add the diced onion and saute for 1 minute to soften and release sweetness. Then add peas and carrots. Stir fry for about 2 minutes until warm through and vibrant. Transfer to a plate temporarily. To the wok, add 3 tablespoons of oil and 2 teaspoons of sesame oil. Heat until shimmering. Add the day-old rice and stir fry for about 3 minutes, getting a bit of color and heating through. Here I have 2 tablespoons of low-sodium soy sauce and 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce. Pour around the edge of the pan. This technique helps to glaze a touch and lets the soy caramelize slightly on the hot surface for richer color and flavor. Then mix it into the rice. Stir fry the rice for a couple more minutes to ensure even coating. Add the cooked chicken and eggs back into the rice, then the peas and carrots. Mix well so every grain is seasoned and coated. Now stir in the larger pieces of green onions, or you can do the smaller ones if you prefer. Taste for salt and adjust as needed. Remember, the soy sauce contributes most of the salt. I like to garnish with a few more green onions for brightness. For another topping option, you can drizzle a little yum yum sauce if you love that creamy finish. Now take a quick look before tasting. Now tell me in the comments, do you prefer fried rice with chicken, shrimp, or pork?
So good. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more videos like this, you can support me by liking, sharing, and don't forget to subscribe for more delicious recipes. Also, be sure to check out these videos on the side. Thanks for your support and happy cooking.